Mom and Dad, I'm doing fine. You guys are on my mind. You asked me what I wanted to be, and now I think the answer is plain to see. I wanna be famous. I wanna live close to the sun. Oh, pack your bags, cause I've already won. Everything to prove, nothing in my way. I'll get there one day. Cause I wanna be famous.
Sounds like a plan.
Light Orange and Rory got both eliminated.
Paula, are you okay?
What's your opinion on your friend Perry?
I'm fine with Angus. He is happy. Now we're on the teams. Hey Mac Foster, you was there on SpongeBob 2015 Show My Custom 2038 Mimi.
The challenge is to draw the cloak. Go! Time's up. And see you in SpongeBob 2015 episode